Cecily, I'm recording it. I can't buckle. This is scary.
Are you guys able to sit good?
Nope.
You guys can't? No, you guys ain't gonna try.
I'm gonna try. He's like, you guys can't. She's like, your mom was like, you can't fit. Are you guys ain't gonna try? I was like, ain't gonna try. Wait. Okay, Arrow. Somebody's behind us. Okay. Oh, he's over there. What happened? It was just so fun. All we need is a phone, a tablet, whatever she has, and we need to keep her warm. And all we need is a speaker, that's all. A speaker, seriously? Yep. What happened? Oh, it's clearing up, guys. Yes. Or not. You guys, it's getting worse. Again. Coffee policeman, I feel like a rock star. Keep it safe. Jenny's in Disneyland right now? What's my mom talking about? My camera and oh shoot, you guys look at it. Guys, look at it. It's getting worse. Oh my god. Ah!
I was already thinking about it right now.
Ooh, imagine the car was on the wrong lane on our lane. And it was coming this way. Me too. Oh, it's like killing me. Nothing. Look at it, that hurts forehead. My mom's going fast. This is bad. I can't buckle up. At least Arrow's buckle up. What if we had a thing, like a double thingy, like to buckle up and I just push down? I'm like, cool. Well, cool. Wait, Cecily. How could your mom see?
X-ray vision.
Okay.
Sorry, Jessica.
Okay. We're good.
Is it yours?
What?
Have X-ray vision?
Me? No.
Yeah, I just thought that.
Me? She keeps saying me. You're staring at everybody. I don't know.
Well, it can look really bad.
I'm floating. Look at. You can still see those things. See? Look at. Does that one help? See, if we pass the tracks, then we're there. Yeah, it's cleared up. We're rounding. Yay! Look at that. That one can help. Okay, look at it. Oh, what's the train comes by? Train. This way. I'm scared. It's gonna hit your glass first. And you're happy? Arrow's right by me.
a bridge like just like right over there.
Okay.
Nope.
Oh, but